People ask me, Mark, how are you different from other attorneys? And I usually like to start with the important point, which is communication. Attorneys are all about communication. And the way I look at communication is that it should be fast, it should be friendly, and it should be in an environment that's comfortable for the client. And so, for instance, you'll notice a lot of the times when you call an attorney's office, you don't get the attorney. You call my office, I pick up the phone. And I'm the first person you're going to talk to, almost always. I do a lot of communication by email. And why do I do that? Well, because it's faster, it's less expensive, and it's usually a lot clearer. And then finally, before you even get to hire me as an attorney, I usually insist that you come and talk to me and look at me and see whether you like me. Because here's the thing, if you don't like your attorney, you shouldn't be working with him. So we sit down and have a free consultation. You get to ask all the questions you want. I get to talk and tell you what I know or what I don't know. And then you can decide whether you like me. And then if you like me, then we can work together. So that's very important, communication and having some sort of relationship, because you want to have a relationship with your business attorney, not just, well, some guy you talk to and he sends answers back. And the other thing is attention, right? The only person you're going to talk to or deal with when you work with me is me. Why? Well, because I think it's important that if you're paying for expertise of a business attorney or a real estate attorney, that you get that expertise, not a junior associate or somebody who's an assistant. And finally, I like to bring a lot of efficiency and value to the relationship. And the way I do that is that I provide a lot of the services that people have me do, right, on a flat fee basis. That means you only have to pay one price, and I take care of everything with respect to that task. That gives clients a lot more comfort and a lot more certainty when they're dealing with me, because they know if I'm going to do something for them, it's only going to cost so much. And here's the important part. They can talk to me as much as they want. And that's a good thing, because we both learn a whole lot about what I need to do on the transaction or on the task. And that results in a much better outcome for the client. So that's why basically I insist on people taking advantage of that if they can. Finally, I think we have to talk about expertise and perspective. I have a unique skill set. I have a bachelor's degree in English. I have a master's degree in business. I went to law school at University of Texas School of Law, and I've been practicing business, real estate, employment, and maritime law for 25 years. So I can bring a lot of experience to the table and provide a lot of value to the client. And I think that's what the client deserves, and I know that's what the client expects.